Chris, you were at the press conference. You've played at this stadium. I mean, if the FAW was successful to get matches here, and in the ideal scenario, Wales playing in the finals here, it would be very difficult to beat that, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't come much better, does it? You know, if we managed to pull it off and we got tournament football in the capital, in this magnificent stadium, and we were part of it, then we'd qualified, and I don't think it comes much better than that. The atmosphere here is the best I've experienced, and you know, I've been all around Europe. In terms of the atmosphere, it doesn't get better than what it is at the Millennium Stadium.
And we just hope, of course, the Executive Committee of UEFA have the same response with regards to our bid, which we think is a winning bid for Wales, for the Cardiff, and of course for the Millennium Stadium to be considered as one of the 13 host cities for the UEFA European Championships in 2020. It's essential you get everybody behind you, and I'm pleased that everybody is, from the government, the UK government, the Welsh government, as you say, all the way through to ensure that all partners are pulling in the same direction. Only with that would we be successful. We've got that. Our next stage is now to convince the UEFA Executive Committee to make the right decision and appoint Wales as being one of those hosts.
You know, I don't think everybody could have done anything more than what they have. But if we get it, it is a major deal for us in terms of reinvesting into Welsh football at the grassroots level, at the young levels, and producing more Gareth Bales.